Okay. Then discuss with the prefix code. Prefix code is in form of 0 and 1, and we have to construct a binary tree. Likewise, we got the prefix code in 0 and 1 manner. Basically, prefix code are used in cryptographic purpose, okay, for key generation, for security purpose, and to form the prefix code, we are going to use Huffman's algorithm. Okay. Before that, we will discuss about how to generate a prefix code. Okay. Suppose this is my tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Then the left branches are represented by value 0 and right branches are represented by value 1. So in this way we can generate the prefix code. Okay. So for generating the prefix code, the left branch having value 0 and right branch having value 1. Okay. Then write down optimal binary tree. Optimal binary tree. After that, write down the weight of tree. The weight of a tree is equal to the sum of the frequencies, the sum of the frequencies of its leaves. Again, leaves means the node. Then write down second step. Second step. Select the two trees in the forest. Select the two trees in the forest that have smallest weight, full stop. Combine these two trees into one. Combine these two trees into one, full stop. Weight of the combined tree is equals to sum of the weight of the two trees. Weight of the combined tree is equals to sum of the weight of the two trees. Full stop. This process continues. This process continue until one tree remains. This process continue until one tree remains. Okay. So we have to follow these steps while constructing the optimal binary tree with the help of Huffman algorithm, and we have to find out the optimal binary tree. For that, just we have to follow one rule. There is one topic in discrete structure called as the binary search tree. Okay. So this property required for the optimal. That's why I am going to tell you the definition of binary search tree. Now, what happened with binary search tree? As we know that our trees start from the root node. Then there is one property for the left subtree and right subtree. So left subtree is minimum than root node, minimum than root, and the right subtree maximum than root. So what it means? Okay. Suppose I am having some frequencies. Frequencies means the values. Okay. 10, 20, 3, 5, 7, 1, and suppose 100. Okay. Randomly I am going to pick these values. And suppose 5 is my root node. Okay. So whenever we are going to construct the binary search tree, the value of root node is given to you. So I know that 5 is my root node, and then I am going to place these values either in left side or in right side with respect to sequence. Okay. Now, if I am choosing 5 as a root node, then there are remaining nodes are 10, 20, 3, 7, 1 and 100, right? So, for 10, I have to follow these conditions. So I know that for the left side I require the minimum than 5, and for right I require the maximum than 5. So 10 is maximum, that's why I am going to pick 10 over here. Understood? We have to follow the rules. Left subtree should be minimum than 5 and right subtree should be maximum than 5. Okay? So 10 is already picked. What about 20? 20 is greater than 5 as well. 20 is greater than 10. So we have to place 20 over here. Okay? Then what about 3? 3 is less than 5. So 3 become here. Then what about 7? 7 is also greater than 5 but less than 10. So write down 7 here. Okay? Then what about 1? 1 is less than 5, less than 3. So 1 become here. Now what about 100? 100 is greater than 5, greater than 10, greater than 20. That's why we have to pick 100 over here. Okay? Now I am going to choose it randomly. So after that, this is not covered in our syllabus. After that, you may change this position also. That you may take 100 or 20 as a root node, and then we can draw the proper binary search tree. Okay, Saloni, though is it fine about the left subtree and right subtree? How to shift the values according to rule? Okay. Is it visible or blur? Okay. So these are the values of our node and these are the frequencies assigned for each node. Okay. So already this sequence is given in ascending order. So no need to change it. Okay. So what is our first property? We have to select the two minimum weighted node, or we can say that select the two trees in the forest that have smallest weight, combine these two trees into one, so that the weight of combined tree is equals to sum of the weight of the two trees. This is our property. Okay, so from this I am going to pick the two smallest node. So as I consider this example, 7 and 9, these are the minimum amongst others. Okay, so we have to pick 7 and 9 together and we have to consider the addition of both. Okay, so while constructing the tree, I am going to add these two nodes together. So A and B, and while adding this, we got 7 plus 9, 16. We have to select randomly based on the two smallest node. Okay, any two smallest node from the given sequence. Okay, Purvi. So as we consider here, among all these nodes, 7 and 9 are the smallest one. That's why I am going to pick 7 plus 9. So it gives me addition as a 16. Okay. So after getting the node, new node, we have to follow the ascending order. Okay. This is our step 1. Step 1, select two minimum, 7 plus 9 got 16. Now we have to form the next sequence as a ascending order. Means now the from these 7 and 9 is already covered. So remaining list become 16, 12, 22, 23, 27. Okay. Now we have to make the order in ascending one. Okay. So 12 is minimum than 16. So shift 12 over here. Okay. So this is our step 2. Okay. Is it fine? How to shift 12 over here? Because from previous sequence, the 12 is minimum than 16. That's why I am going to pick the 12 in left side of 16. Okay. Now again apply the same property. We have to pick any two smallest node from the entire list. Okay. So again from the entire list, 12 and 16 are smaller one as compared to other. So make an addition of 12 and 16 along with these two nodes. Okay. Means your structure like this. We have to add 12 and 16 together. Okay. With A and B. And this is our C. Okay, and while adding these two, we got addition of 12 and 16, it gives us 28. Okay, so again we have to follow our sequence. So 12 is already covered, this tree is already covered. So next sequence will be 22, 23, 27, and this is new generated tree, that is 28 with node C, and here with frequency 16, here A and B. Okay, is it fine up to this? Okay. Now, shall I rough this one? Please note down all these steps on your notebook first. It continues up to, the process continues until one tree remains. Means after that, we have, after covering all these nodes together, we got one complete tree, and then we have to generate the prefix code. Okay. So after this, again we have to pick two minimum one. So as we know that from entire tree, 22 and 23 are remaining. The minimum one. So add 22, 23 together. 22, 23 and make a addition. That is 45. Okay. So again, now 22, 23 is already completed. So next generated tree will be, write down here 27, 28 along with all nodes and 45 along with all nodes. Okay, make it complete with on your notebook. Okay, after that 27 and 28 are minimum amount, 27, 28, 45. Okay, make sure we have to draw all these entire structure as it is A and B. Okay, so again we have to add the minimum one, that is 27 and 28. Okay, this is our one node. So take addition of 27 and 28. What is frequency for 27? That is F. So take addition of 27 and 28. So it gives us 55. Okay. Now after that there are two nodes remains only, 55 and 45. So after that add 55 and 45 together. Okay. So 55 is greater, so keep 45 over here. 45 and add these two nodes and 45 along with all sub nodes like this and take addition. That is 100. Please draw the final structure of tree, everybody, because we have to form the prefix code with the help of these nodes. Is it like this? Okay, what about others? Have you got the same tree structure? We will revise this example in next lecture as well, okay, for others. If you have any doubt, I am trying to cover the entire board and we are trying to cover the entire structure in single snap, okay. So now, as we know that the left branches contains the value 0 and right branches contains the value 1. So we can directly write down here 0, 0, 1. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, right? Now we have to form the prefix code for A, B, C, D, E and F. So how to form the prefix code? Just we have to count the values, okay? So for A, we have to travel from 1 1 1 0. So this is prefix code for A. Just count the number of values which are located on the branches of the node. Okay, branches means these edges. Okay, in tree we call the edge as a branch. Okay, so for A, the frequency code will be 1110. What about B? It is 1111. Okay, then for C, 110. Then for D, 00. For E, 01. And for F, 10. Okay, is it fine with prefix code? How to generate optimal binary tree and how to generate the prefix code.